So today we are going to see date specific tool. So what is a date specific tool? Let me connect with the dataset file with Power BI. Okay, so we got a data now. How to go to the edit query? So click on the table, click on the edit query, Power Query Editor. Okay, so there are different data types of the columns, right? One is the textual data, one is numeric, and one is the date type. So you can see if the column is a textual, it's indicate as a ABC here. Okay, if column is a number, it will indicate as 1, 2, 3. But if column is a date, it will show as a calendar, right? So we can easily identify that this column belongs to the date, right? This column is a date format. So if you click on the date column, if you click on the date column and go to the transform, you can see date functions is visible here. Date function is visible here. But if you click on the any other field, not a date field, if you click on the any other format field, okay, so you would not be able to see the date function is enabled here. You can't see age, date only, year, month. This is not enabled. Why? Because the format of the column is not a date format. Okay, so let's click on the date format column and go to the date function. In date function there are different dates. In date function there are different dates. Let's like a age. If you click on the age, it will give you the number of days, how many number of days since that particular day to the till date. Let's say this is the 11/11/2014. So 11/11/2014 to the till date, how many days it has happened. Okay, let's see the age. So let me click on the age. So where is the age? You can see it is giving me something number here. Okay, let me convert it into the number first, whole number. So you can see here it is giving me the number. What is this number 2901? Before that it was a date, but now it is showing the, before that it was a 11/11/2014, but now when I click on the date, okay, click on the age, it give me this number. What is use of this? This number is nothing but how many days from 11/11/2014 to the till date. Okay, let me open the Paint. Let's say I want to find out my age. How I will find out my age? So I will consider what is my date of birth. So I will find out that 11/11/1993 is my date of birth. And what will be the second date that I will consider? That will be the today, right? Right, 21/10/2022. So how many days fall between these two dates? How many days fall between these two dates? That will be the your age. Okay, that will be the your age. How many days fall between these two dates? Okay, when you get a date, when you get a number of days, when you get a number of days, you will get like this date days, right? 2901 something. You need to divide by the, you need to divide by the 12. So let me divide by 12. So how to divide by 12? Let's subtract divide. Divide by 12. Click on OK. So it is showing 241 is something is there. What does it mean? So it means still we don't receive the age. It means we still don't receive the age as a year wise. Okay. So let me go back again. Divide. Okay. I will first divide by the month. I will first divide by the month. Month means how many? 30 days. Sorry, 365 days. Okay, I will divide by the 365 days. How many days in the 1 year? 365. 365. So I will divide by 365. So you will get a actual number of years it happened from the that particular day. So this is a 7 year. Okay, from 2014, 11/11, 2014. From that day to the till date, it is a 7 year 9 months. Okay, so this is how we can find out the age. This is how we can find out the age. Clear, everyone?
Just repeat again.
Okay, let me go back again. Okay, let's say we have, let's say we have age column. Sorry, date column. I want to find out the age of the particular date. Age of the particular date. How do we find out age? How do we find out age? So without function, I'm not talking about function. In general, when somebody asks you what is your age, so how did you find? You first consider your date of birth, the starting date, and today date, right? Then you will calculate that how many year happen. So same thing also here. I want to know this particular customer's order date, how many years happen from this particular date. Clear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So how will you find out? So there's an option in the date that is a age. Age will give you number of days which come from after 11/11/2014. So let's click on the age. Okay, so 2901 is the number of days. 2901 is the number of days. Okay, let me convert into the number first. It is showing in the time. Okay, so 2901 is the number of days. Now I want to convert the number of days into the year. I want to convert number of days into the year. अभी आप इतने दिन के हो जब आप सपोज 2014 में पैदा हुए थे, ओके, आपका बोर्न हुआ था, तो वहां से लेके अभी तक का आपका नंबर ऑफ डेज आप कितने दिन के हो गए, तो आप सपोज 2901 दिन के हो गए, बट मुझे इसको ईयर में कन्वर्ट करना होगा, तो मतलब 7 साल के हुए या 8 साल के हुए, ओके, तो उसको हमें 365 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा एवरी नंबर को, तो सबका एज हमें ईयर में मिलेगा. क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's divide by the 365. Everyone understood, Sudarshan, Vaibhav? So now you got the age 7 year 9 month, 8 year 7 month. So this is the actual age of the particular order. Okay, clear or not?
Clear.
Sudarshan, Salaka, Piyusha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arvind, Eshwar?
Yes.
Okay, so these are
Yes.
the, yeah, so this is how we can find out the age. Okay, so we were just looking at the age column, but if you observe, there was a date column here, and on the date they gave the age. Okay, but now we don't have actual date column, we don't have actual order date column. Why? Because in the transform, if you do anything on that particular column, this will do the calculation on the same column. Okay, and it will update on the same column, so actual column will not be available in the table. Understood what I'm saying? Okay,
Yes.
what I'm saying here, see, right now you can see order date column. When I perform the age doesn't give me in the separate column, it happen in the same column, so actual date you will not be able to see. Okay, see, if I click on the age, it will give me the age on the same column, it will not create a new column. Can you see? In order date only they are giving the number of days, but it is not giving me in the separate column. Okay, to get into the separate column we should use the in a date add column, we should go to the add column. Okay, let me go back again. Okay, so this is in transpose. If you go to the add column, same date features available, same function available in the add column tab. Just click on the age. So when you click on the age, it will give you new column. See, you got a new column at the end. Okay, and also you have actual column available, also available, like order date. This is the order date, this one, right? Order date also available, and we got a age also. Clear what I said here? Now what is the difference between transform and the add column tab?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so you got a, when you perform any transformation in the transform tab, it will apply on the existing column, it will apply on the existing column, but in the add column it will create a new column. Whenever you perform any operation or any calculation, it will create a new column and it will apply that particular function. Okay, so that is the difference between both. See, in the transform and the add column, both has a some of the features similar, like statistic, date, time, then format, extract. All these are also available in transform, right? But what is the difference? Difference is that transform, if you do anything in the transform tab, okay, it will not create a new column. It will update into the same column. It will update into the same column. But when you do the into the add column, it will create a new column. It will create a new column. Clear now?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Let's go now. So there was a date specific. Okay, age we have seen. Now date only. What is the date only? Let's see. let me page. Let's say we have ordered it. In the date there's a date only features. There's a date only features. What is the date only? Let's say you in your uh, in your column, in date column, you have date plus time. You have date plus time, and you want to see only date. Okay, then only you could see only date. Right now already your right now already your date is in date format. Not there is no time available. But in case if your date has a some time also, okay, with the date there is a time also, so they will remove the time and they will give you only date. Okay, next feature is year. Year, what is the use of year? If I want to extract year from the date, okay, I want to extract year from the date. So let's say I have this date 11 11 1993. I want to extract year from this date. I want to extract year from this date. So what is the year? It is a 1993. If I want to extract separately in separate column, month, okay, so it will be the October, right? It will be the October, and then what will be the day? So day I want to extract in separate column, so it will be the 11. Okay, so we can separate date part. We can separate the date part. What is the date part? What is the date part? Date part is nothing but the part of the date. Okay, so let's say this year I extracted in separate column. So it means year is a date part of the date. 11 I separated into the separate column. Okay, so it means 11 is a separate. I have October has I have separated into a separate column. Then day also I have separated in separate column. Okay, so this date part, day is a date part of the particular date. Clear everyone? What I said? Okay, so this is a date part.
Yes.
Month is a date part of the date field, and year is a date part of the date field. So I want to extract like this. So I have ordered it. I want to extract this year in separate column, month in separate column, and day in separate column. So just go to the year. Okay, click on year. Click on year. So you got a year column separately, right? You got a year separately. Now let's go back again. Click on the order date, and what is the next feature is there in a year? If I want to, okay, this is year. If I want to find out the, okay, let's see the first year only. Okay, so year we extracted. Now start of the year. What is the start of the year? Every date. What? Okay, let's first start extract the year. Start of the year. Okay, so what it is showing in start of the year? 1 January 2014, 1 January 2014, right? Then there is a 1 January 2012, 1 January 2015. Why it is showing like this? It means the date. It means what happened if you try to extract the start of the year of this particular date. If you try to find out the start of the year of the particular date, it will give you the first date of this particular date, first date of the year of the particular date. What does it mean? What does it mean? Let's say I have two dates, 11 11 1993. सेकंड डेट है मेरे पास 02/02/2021. अभी मुझे फर्स्ट डेट का स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर निकालना है. इट मींस व्हाट विल बी द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर ऑफ दिस डेट. इस डेट का क्या होगा स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर? दिस विल बी द 1 Jan 1993. ठीक है, मतलब आपका जो ईयर स्टार्ट होने वाला है, जिस डेट से ईयर स्टार्ट होता है, only that date I want to find out. ठीक है, so we know that what is the year, so we will find out the only first day of the year. इसका क्या होगा? what will be the start of the year, this one year, this will be the 01 Jan 2021. Understood what is that? So it is the start of the year of every date. Okay, it will give you the start of the year date of the every date. Clear everyone, or do I need to explain again?
Understood.
Piyusha, Salaga,
Yes, sir.
okay, Sudarshan,
Yes.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Sorry, should I explain again? Sudarshan,
No, no.
okay,
Got it.
okay, okay. So this is the start of the year. So same also we have one more function, that is the end of the year. End of the year. End of the year means what it will give? What it will return? It will return the last day of the year. It will return the last day of the year. Let's say this date, same date. Let's consider same date. I want to find out last day. What will be the last day? 31st December, 31st December 1993, right? And what is the second date? The last of the year, 31st December 2021. Okay, so this will be the last day of the particular date. Last day of the particular date. Clear? So this is. Let me just take out last day, end day of the year. So you can see 31st December of all of the date. Okay, so this is what we can use it uh, for the last year and first year. Yeah, clear about the year function, everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now let's move to the month function. I want to find out the month. I want to extract the month from the this date. From this date, I want to extract the month. Okay, if you click on the month, it will extract the month from the order date. So let's click on the month. So you can see there is a month is extracted, like 11 month, 10 month, 12 month, second month, 6 month. Okay, but now my question is, I want to extract month. I want to extract month in the textual form. Suppose it's a 12 month, it should show like a December. If it is a first month, it should display like a January. If it is like a second month, it should show like a February. How to show the name of the month? How to show the name of the month? Let's go back. Click on the order date. Go to the date. So we already seen month. It gives the number of the month. But if you want to name of the month, just click on the name of the month. Can you see name of the month function? Just click on the name of the month. So you got to know. So you will get to know month name. It is a month November, or it is a February, or it is October. All this will be shown like here. Okay, this will be the month. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now next function, let's look at the next function. Now here also same function available like a start of the month and end of the month. So you can tell me what will be the start of the month. What will be the start of the month? Now let's consider again the same example. Let's consider again same example of this year date. Okay, now we will find out for the month. What will be the start of the month for this? What will be the start of the month for this?
First date.
First
Jan.
date? No, I am talking about month, not a year. So first 11, first 11 1993. Clear? It will return the first day of the month, particular month. Understood what I said? First 11
Yes.
1993. Okay, what will be the second? It will be the first February 2021. Okay, so this will be the first day of the month. Okay, so same also for the end of the month. What will be the end of the month? This is the first of the month, first day. Okay, then what will be the last day of the month? What will be the last day of the month?
30,
30, 30,
30th,
30, from
11.
11 1993. Okay, and for the second date 29 02 2021. Okay, this will be the last day of the month. Everyone clear about this? Rutuja? Hello? Yeah. Everyone? Vaibhav? So let's implement this one in the Power BI. Select the date column, go to the month and select the start of the month. So what you will get in the start of the month? Let's see. 1/11/2014. That is the first day of the month. Right. Same like let me put this column to the first so you could check, verify. Okay, so now let's verify. So for the 11/11/2014, what will be the date for the start of the month? 11/1, sorry, 1/11/2014. मतलब first day of the November 2014. Right. Same also for the 5th February. 5th February, it will be showing like a 1st February of 2014. Same also for the this one. So it is showing also first day of the November month, sorry, October month 2014. Clear? Start of the month. So this is about the start of the month. Now let's go to the date. Let's see the other function of the. So start now, end also we have seen. Then how? What is the day of the particular month? What is the days in the particular month? Let's click on this. What it is showing? It is indicating that how many days in your particular month. How many days in that particular month? Suppose in the October month, in this date, let me show you. I want to know in this particular date they have some one month. Which month it is? It is a November month. In November month, how many days are there? In November month, how many days are there?
30 days.
30 days. Okay, let's
30,
verify. In November we have from 1st to 30. So there is a 30 days. So it will give you 30. In February month, how many days are there?
829.
20th,
29. 28 or 29? Okay, so let's find out for 2021. 21 second. Is the 28. Okay, so we have 28 days days in the particular month, that second month. Okay, so same also result showing here. If you look at here, it is showing 30 days, 28, 31. So these are the total number of days in that particular month. Now let's go back again, the order date field. Now let's select this one and go to the month. Okay, now we clear about this. We are seeing the month, start of the month, end of the month, number of days in the month, and name of the month. Now go to the quarter. What is a quarter? Does everyone know what is a quarters? In every 1 year we have 4 quarter. In 1 year we have 4 quarter. Okay, let me explain. Let's say we have January, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, we have 12 months. In 12 months we have 4 quarters. Okay, so what will be the 4 quarters? What will be the 4 quarters?
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months is a 1 quarter. Okay, so January, February, March is a first quarter. This is a first quarter. Okay, then April, May, June is a second quarter. Is a second quarter. Then July, August, September is a third quarter. And October, November, December it is a fourth quarter. It is a fourth quarter. So there are 4 quarters. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
If I ask you what is the quarter of the May month?
June.
Hey, I am talking about
Second.
Second.
what is the quarter. Okay, quarter 2.
Okay.
If I ask you about what is the quarter number for the November, it will be the 4, right? So same thing also we will see now here. Okay, let's go to the date formula and go to the quarter. So I want to know what is the quarter of that particular date. I want to know the date which is falling on this which quarter. Okay, so let's first take the example. I have this 2 date. I have this 2 dates. This date, okay, tell me first date in which quarter it falls.
Fourth.
Fourth.
Fourth. Okay, this is the fourth quarter. And what will be the quarter for the second date?
First.
First quarter. Okay, so this is what we will find out now. So order date, the date which is falling on which quarter, it will show here. Okay, so let's see. Go to the quarter of the year. So you can see it is showing fourth, 1 quarter, fourth quarter, 1 quarter. That particular date is falling on that particular quarter. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, let's click on the order date. Now start of the quarter. Now start of the quarters. Start of the quarter. Okay, let me go to again. This particular date, this particular 11/11/1993, what will be the first day of the quarter? First day of the particular quarter. This 11 means November, right? This November, in which quarter it fall?
4.
4th. What will be the first day of the quarter?
1st November.
1st October.
First October.
October, right? So 1st October will be the date of the particular listen. So start of the quarter. That will be the start of the quarter. Start date of a quarter. Okay. What we are finding? Start day of the quarter. and what will be the date? So that will be the 11/11. What is the date you say? 1st October 1993. Okay, that will be the first day of the quarter. What will be the first day of the this quarter? To 2nd February 2021.
1st Jan.
1st January 2021.
1st Jan 2021. Okay, so this is all about the quarters. Okay, let's do this here. Go to the quarter, start of the quarter. So you will get a particular day, start day of the quarter. Okay, so this is for the October. So they are giving me they are giving the first day of the quarter. Okay, so same also end of the quarter. What is the end of the quarter of this particular date? What is the end day of the quarter for 11/11/1993?
31st Jan 1993.
31st.
1st December.
Sorry.
31st December. 31st December 1993.
Okay, 31st December 1993. Then second. Second Feb. What will be the last day of the quarter? India of the quarter.
31st
Second.
March.
31st March.
31st March
March 2021.
2021. Okay, so this will be the first and last day of the March. Yes, can order it. Go to the quarter. Okay, we can find out the end of the quarter also. Okay, so that was all about the quarters. Now let's go back to the other order table column. Now let's see the other. After quarter, now we have week. So I want to find out which week of the year. How many weeks in the 1 year? How many weeks in the 1 year?
52.
52. Okay, so in 52, if I ask you what is the week which will fall on this date? Okay, it could be the like 42 or something, 42 to 47, right? Then what could be the week will fall on this date? This could be the 5th or 6th, right? This can be the 5th or 6th week, right? So same also we can find out the what is the week of the particular date. So let's go to the date, click on this week of the year. So we can see October, November month. Okay, so there is a 46 week. So it means this one also 46 week. 11 means October month, right? 11, so which is falling on the 46 week. Okay, it is falling on the 46 week number. Same like other date also, some are falling on this particular week. Clear everyone what we are finding?
Yes.
Now let's click on the order date. Now we need to find out week of the month. एक month में जो डेट है, जिस मंथ की डेट है उस मंथ में 4 कितने होते, एक महीने में 4 होते, 4 से 5 वीक होते। तो कौन से वीक में ये फॉल करता है डेट एज अ मंथली? अगर इसके दिखता हो अभी मंथली, ठीक है, ये ईयरली हुआ था, अभी मंथली। तो मंथली ये 11/11/93 ये कौन से वीक में फॉल होगा?
Second.
सेकंड। ओके, दिस विल बी द सेकंड वीक ऑफ द मंथ। ओके, और सेकंड डेट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीक of the month. Okay, so same also we can find out in the here also monthly week. Okay, so these are the monthly week. Okay, so this was for the week. So a week of the year, week of the month, that we already seen. Everyone clear? Any confusion on this?
No.
Okay, Rutuja, everyone, Shalaka, but
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
start of the week. What will be the start day of the week? Okay, so it will return that the day of the start of the week. Okay, so same like a start of the month and start of the year. This also end of the week. What will be the last day of the end of the week? Okay, so that we will see. Now let's go to the day. In a day, what day it is? It is a Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Okay, so let's click on the day. Sorry, what is the day means? It will find out the day. Like month we extracted, so day we extracted separately. So it is a day. So if you see order date, 11 day, 5th day, 17th day, 28. This is a date, right? This is a day, particular day of the month. So that we extracted. Now next in the day of the week, day of the year. ये कौन सा वीक में कौन सा डे है, ये कौन से डे ईयर में है, इसका स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे और एंड ऑफ द डे और नेम ऑफ द डे। नेम ऑफ ड डे मतलब मंडे है या ट्यूसडे या वेडनेसडे, दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट। ओके, सो लेट्स सी नेम ऑफ द डे। गो बैक टू द लास्ट, सो यू कैन सी ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, फ्राइडे। विच कौन सा ये जो डेट है वो कौन से डेट फॉलो करता है, डे में फॉलो करता है। ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो टू द अगेन डेट। नाउ डे ऑफ द ईयर मतलब ये कौन सा दिन है, मतलब देयर आर 365 डेज। ओके, सो 11 इज द विच डे, मतलब कौन से नंबर पे आता है तो हमें पता चल जाएगा। सो डे ऑफ द ईयर यू कैन सी 315 इज द डे। ये 315वां डे है ईयर का, 11 ओके, 11 315 का दिन है। क्लियर एवरीवन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? देन डे ऑफ द वीक, पर्टिकुलर वीक में ये कौन सा है, मतलब पहला दिन है या सातवां दिन है। देयर आर 7 डेज इन अ वीक, सो इट इज द फर्स्ट डे और सेकंड डे और थर्ड डे और फोर्थ डे और फिफ्थ डे और सिक्स्थ डे और 7 डेज। ओके, दैट इट विल इंडिकेट। So you can see 1 2 3 4 up to 7 only. You could not see the more than 7 number because this is a weak number. Okay, so click on order date again. Now let's see the start day and end day. So start day will be I think same day. Start day would be the same day because अगर दिन स्टार्ट हो रहा है उसी दिन पे, सो डे वाइज मंथ वाइज बोले होते तो फर्स्ट डे का मंथ मिला होता, बट स्टार्ट डे ऑफ द डे मतलब सेम डे ही रहेगा और एंड ऑफ द डे मतलब सेम ही रहेगा, राइट? क्लियर व्हाट आई सेड?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I think for the date we have completed regarding the date all of the function. Okay, let me click on the order date again. So mostly we completed all of the days. Okay, so do one thing, just practice on this. I will upload the today's session also. Will tomorrow is a Saturday. Saturday we don't have class, Saturday Sunday. So tomorrow we will have a session on the SQL. Okay, so in SQL we will take